Good morning students. Today's our chapter is 3 multiplication. Okay, my dear students, in second standards you know very well that how can we solve multiplication. If you know very well table, then you solve very easily multiplication. Okay, so let us go with our first example, 4 table. Okay, which table is given? 4. Then 4 6 are, how many are there? 24. So 4 here and 2 carried out down here. Then after 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 12. 13 and 14. 4 here, 1 carry over. Then after 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Then your answer is 944. Let us go with our second examples. Here, which table is given? 7. 7 8s are 56. So write here 6. Here 5 carry over. My dear students, 7 into 0. Okay, 7 zeros are 0, because of if we can multiply with any number with 0, then we get answer 0. So here 5, write down here only. 7 3s are 21. This one is your answer, 2156. Then our third example, 6 8s are 48. So 8 here, 4 here. My dear students, same positions. This one sum, 6 zeros are 0. So 4 as it is here. 6 3s are 18. So 8 here, 1 carry over. 6 1s are 6 plus 1, 7. This is your answer. Our last examples, 3 5s are, how many are there? 15. So first write down here 5. Then after 1 carry over. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 9 here, 1 carry over. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 0 here, 1 carry over. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. So this is your answer. My dear students, if you know very well about table, then you get very easily answer of the multiplication. Okay, this one is to solve out only a question. Okay, a questions. Total 8 sums are given and I am solving only 4. And other examples you have to do by yourself only. Okay, then our second, in your B questions given horizontally form. Okay, first is in B questions, first is 421 into 3. Okay, horizontally means sleeping form. Okay, you know very well कि first of all 3 multiply by 1. Then 3 1s are how many? 3. Then after here 3 2s are how many? 6. Then 4 3s are, 4 3s are how many? 12. Okay, so you get answer this one. Then after our second examples, 1955 into 7. Okay, so first of all 7 into 5 means 35. So 5 first of write down here and 3 write down carry over here. Then again 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3, 35, 36, 37 and 38. So 8 write down here and 3 here carry over. So 9 7s are how many? 63, 63, 64, 65 and 66. 6 write down here and 6 here. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 6, 13. So 13 here. Okay, then our next examples, 507 into 9. 9 7s are 63. So 3 write down here and 6 here. 9 zeros are 0. So 6 as it is here. 9 5s are 45. So 45 write down here. So our next example, fourth one, First of all, 9 multiply by 5. 9 5s are, how many are there? 45. So 5 here, 4 here, carry over. Okay, 9 5s are 45. So 4 here, carry over. 5 3s are 15. 16, 17, 18 and 19. 9 here, 1, carry over. 5 zeros are 0. So 1 as it is here, and 5 2s are 10. Okay, my dear students, then here our exercise 3.1 is completed. Now as 3 exercise 3.2. Okay, please attention here. Here 152 into 3 is given. Here bigger expanded from with multiplication is there. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all, 152 means round figure is 150. Okay, then after 2. Okay, and then after 152, 50 into 2. Okay, multiplication with how many? 3. Then first of all do here, I am writing here 3 4 into 5. Okay, first of all write down expanded form of 152. 150 plus 2 means 152. But what you have to do, not here put plus, here put multiplication. Okay, so 150 into 3 and also 2 into 3. Okay, 150 into 3 means 450. Okay, and 3 2s are 6. Then here addition is there. Okay, 150 into 3 means 3 zeros are 0 here. 5 3s are 15 means 5 here. 1 carry over. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. And 2 into 3 means 6. Then 450 plus 6 is equals to 456. Then our second example, 2617 into 6. है ना? 2617 means 2000. Okay, into 600 into 70. Okay, sorry, 10 into 7. Okay, so multiplication with which number? 6. So first of all 2000 into 6. Okay, then 600 into 6, then 10 into 6, and then after 10 into 7. Then 6 2s are 12 means 2000. 6 means how many? 12,000. Then 6 6 are 36 means 3600. Okay, 10 6 are 60 and 10 7s are 6 7s are. Okay, 6 here, 7 is there, and here 6 is there. Okay, 6 7s are 42. Okay, 2000 into which number? 6. Okay, 600 into 6, 10 into 6 and 7 into 6. 2000 into 6 means 12,000. 600 into 6 means 3600. 10 into 6 means 60 and 6 7s are 42. Okay, then after addition is there. 2, 6 plus 4 10. 0 here, 1 carry over. 6 plus 1 7, 3, 4 and 5 and 1 here. This is your answer. Okay, so our second example here, solve out 1 2 3 4, 1234 into 5. Okay, first of all do expanded form. Okay, expanded form means 1234 into 5. So first 1000 is there, into 200 is there, then after 30 is there, and then after 4. Then 1000 into 5 is equals to how many? 200 into 5 is equals to how many? 30 into 5 is equals to how many? And 4 into 5 is equals to how many? Then 100 5s means here 5000. Okay, then 5 2s are 10. Here 1000, Here 5 3s are 15 means 150 and 4 5s are 20. 0, 7, 1 and 6. This is your answer. Our last example, 3678 into 6. Okay, my dear student, first of all, again do expand it for 3000 into 600 into 70 into 8. Okay, so first 3000 into 6. So 600 into 6. Then after 70 into 6. And last 8 into 6. Okay. 6 3s are 18 means here 18,000. 6 6s are 36 means 3600. Then after 6 7s are 42. Then 0 means 420 here. Okay. Then after here 8 6 are 48. 3600. Okay. 420 and 8 6 are 48. Okay. 6 3s are 18, so write down here 18,000. 6 6 are 36, then put here 2 zeros. Then 7 6 are 42, so put here 1 zeros. 8 6 are 48. 8 as it is here. 4 5 and 6. Then 6 plus 4 10. 0 here. 1 carry over. 8 plus 1 9. 10 11 and 12. 2 here. 1 carry over. 1 plus 1 2. My dear students, here plus symbols is there. Okay. What you have to do? All the multiplications is there and then after addition. Okay. You know very well about ki how can we do this one multiplication. If you don't know ki how can expanded form is there, so what you have to do? First of all, this one number is write down. Okay. Then 1 after how many digits are there? 1, 2 and 3. Then put here 1, 2 and 3 zeros. Then after put here multiplication. Then which one numbers is comes out? 2. Then 2 after 2 how many numbers are there? 1 and 2. Then put here 2 zeros. Then after 3. Then after 3 how many numbers are there? Only 1. Then put here 1 zeros. Then 4 after number no any digits are there. That's why we put here 4. Okay. Then after that first of all write down 1000. Then write down 200. Then write down 30. Then write down 4. And which number we can multiply with? 5. Then all the digits with multiply 5, and then after multiplication is there and all the multiplication is comes out, then after you do addition. Okay, my dear students, I hope you really understand exercise 3.1 and 3.2. Whichever question is left you have to do by yourself only. Okay, my dear students, thank you very much.